Brandon.
10-4-2-489.
You could look, see if you got anything listed on 259 there with that last name, resident, and give him a call and see if he made it home. He's not here, and then one of the farmers that came from that area said he didn't see him either. I just want to make sure he did make it home.
10-4.
Metro with home command. The deputy had to turn around and go a different route. Shouldn't be too much longer.
Copy.
10-4 Metro, Cold copies.
Contact made on West.
If it's a valid, you can go to data and have them confirm it.
Sam 628 to 234 or 236 launches.